Do you want to get a step closer to proceduralism? Then let me show you a cool little trick for modeling with subdivision surface modifiers.
BlenderDefender.
Subdivision surface modifiers are known to be not the best friend of procedural modelers. They are perfect for destructive modeling and almost everyone knows how to handle them. You can add loop cuts to control the sharpness of the edges, but almost nobody knows that you are able to achieve the same using bevel modifiers. Let me show you how it's done. So here in Blender I have a subdivided cube, and on top of the subdivision surface modifier here I add a bevel modifier. Yeah, it has to be on top, that's important. And down there I increase the segments to at least 2, won't work otherwise. And as I play with the offset, you can see that I can indeed control the subdiv modifier. Little bonus tip: if you want to control single edge loops, just assign them to a vertex group like that, and now go to the bevel modifier, limit method, vertex group, and add the group. So now it's almost like you would have added a loop cut, but procedural. Yeah guys, that was it for the tutorial. I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and subscribe if you aren't yet. And always remember, a river cuts its way through stone not because it's so strong, but because it persistently pursues its destination.